The Newel base connectors can now be fixed to the Newel bases using the stud and barrel nut supplied. From the top of the Newel base, on the center line previously marked, measure down 125 mm. Then, using a 20 mm spade bit, drill a hole to a depth of 20 mm beyond the center point of the Newel base. On the top of the Newel base, find the center by drawing 2 diagonal lines from corner to corner. And using a 13 mm spade bit, drill to a depth of 125 mm. Take care to ensure that all drill operations are straight and accurate. Now assemble the Newel base connector to the Newel base. Start by locating the barrel nut. Then fully insert the fixing stud into the barrel nut. Place the Newel base connector over the fixing stud and tighten the nut using a 19 mm socket or box spanner, ensuring that the connectors are positioned correctly. In most cases, the retaining ring on the underside of the connector should pull into the Newel base. But, depending on the timber type, it may be necessary to remove the connector and chisel a clearance ring of approximately 3 mm wide by 5 mm deep to allow the connector to sit flush. Before finally fitting the Newel base connector, the bases can be chamfered to provide a more pleasing finish. You can now cut the bottom Newel post to a length of 525 mm. Place the post into the connector and tap with a rubber mallet to mark the position of the connector stud. Then drill a 25 mm clearance hole to a depth of 25 mm, allowing it to fit over the stud assembly. Fix the Newel post to the connector using the screws provided, making sure that the post is fully inserted into the connector. Fix the top post in the same manner, but do not cut the post to length at this stage. Fit new Newel bases central to the front faces of the staircase risers, checking that they're vertical and at the correct height.